Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can connect your induction hub Electrolux to the normal single phase installation. So there we have our plug. Let's start from the ground wire, connect it to the middle socket of your plug. If you don't have this the ground wire in your home, you can just skip it and isolate it. On the right side we are going to blue and the gray together, and on the left side the brown and the black, the phase wires. So there we have a neutral, ground and the phase wires. So I think we can now close the plug and check how it works. Okay, sorry, I have a little problem, but just give me a second. Okay, and let's connect it. As you can see, it's all perfect, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.